Luckily, I got the Laguna XP14 roller conveyor table in the shop, and it's got that cool Laguna link.
What interested me in the machine was the ability to not only drill holes, but to actually route on the edge of parts.
And I got a new table saw, which was several inches lower than the first, but this was no factor for the stand. It was just a simple matter of adjusting the height.
From our side links to our buckets, we actually laser everything out on the Laguna.
Precision has increased, and just the reliability of knowing that, when I start up this machine, that it's gonna, deliver what I'm looking for.
Just from day one of us using the new machine, it's cut down on so much time. It eliminates a bunch of a process and frees you up to do other things.
There's 9,259 sheets that have run across just the one. So you take that times 2 and it's almost 20,000 sheets. And they just keep cutting.
The Smart Shop 1's been one of our main machines, most popular machines in the whole building. And we definitely, one of our most popular classes too, because everybody wants to use it. But we've seen a ton of cool projects come out of that one.
Laguna's always going to be something that I'm going to implement in the growth of West Coast exhibits, especially because of the dependability. I think I've ran that thing nonstop, 8 to 10, 12 hours a day for the last 8 years. I don't think it's ever broken down.